What about FMCG, sir? Any signs of it returning to momentum, or is it still a far-fetched space? And why is it taking so long when everything is working in the favor of consumption? You know, we've had the budgetary support that came in by way of tax cuts, so consumption could be boosted. We have the rate cuts now taking place consistently as was being expected, in fact, better than expectations. We also have a normal and above normal rainfall earlier than expected, probably the earliest onset of monsoons that we've seen in many years now. So when everything is working in favor, both micro and macro, why do you think the consumption space hasn't still picked up the way it should have, or we were expecting it to be?
So in FMCG, I think there are two factors. One is competition and the second is distribution, and both are interlinked together. See, what has happened with the onset of all these commerce players and the quick commerce players is the moat that the larger FMCG giants had was that of distribution, right? That has been sort of broken down to a large extent. So today, even a very small regional player can create a soap or a shampoo or a cream or whatever, a toothpaste, and put it on quick commerce or put it on e-commerce platform and get traction. And that is, I think, what is playing out. So if you look at the overall consumption of FMCG, products, you will see that it has not actually gone down. It has actually been growing at a reasonable pace. What is the problem is that the sales of the large listed behemoths is going down because the competition, at least at regional levels, is coming in significantly from these new startup B2C players. So I don't see that trend changing. In fact, that trend actually can accelerate with more and more players, because FMCG at a very broad level is not a very high entry barrier industry. I mean, that is one challenge that the large players are facing now.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.